We were warned not to touch the humans. The council begged us to leave them be. We didn't listen. We enslaved them on a mining colony, and now the angels of death have awakened. The first warning came from the oldest among us. Their world is quarantined for a reason, Elder Vrax insisted during the council meeting, his aged carapace creaking as he leaned forward. The humans are not to be disturbed. We laughed. What threat could these soft-skinned creatures pose? Their technology was primitive, their world polluted, their societies fractured. Easy prey for our